channel, I'll be doing a full glam smoky eye look, and I'll be starting off with the DENONA nude palette. And I like this palette because it's very small, you can travel with it a lot of places, and the eyeshadows are really good. The only thing is that it just doesn't have a mirror. It's $25, a bit pricey, but the eyeshadows work really well. So I'll be using Sienna in 50 DC, and it's this one, just to start off the eyelid. You don't really need a primer for this one, but you can use one. The eyeshadows last a long time, so if you're oily or going outside, I would use a primer then. But I have combination skin, so I don't really need it, but I can if I like I'm going to be using it a lot or be outside a lot maybe. Right now I'm just blending it. I'm not being precise with it because it's just the base. It's not something that's beyond top of anything. So now I'm going to go with a deeper shade, the Bronze Age one. Very pigmented, goes a long way. Then I just do my corner of my eye, just pat it in, get into that crease really well. I be doing this a lot in my outer corner eye. And pack it in. And then at the end, I'll be using another makeup brush to blend it out, the edges, because this is just a more detailed brush. So, taking this brush, just blend the outside out. See, it's very blended. You keep blending it, just make sure it blends all out. Now we'll do it to the other side. The same process. This is how it should be looking now. Blend the whole side a little more. After you feel like you're done, just look at it and see if it needs to be blended out more or not. So now I'm going to be going back into Sienna. Now I'm going to go back to Bronze Age again. Make it a little more darker. To make it like an ombre effect. Grab a fluffy brush. Do the same thing over again. Just make it more defined. This spaghetti eye looks more there now with the browns mixing together, so you can tell. So it makes it more brighter my eye color as well. So now I'm going into the Lumino, the one in the middle, and I'm gonna grab a synthetic brush. And pat it in the middle. Then go inside as well. Start in the middle, just dry. The eyeshadow is really pretty. very champagne color. You can tell the difference just with that shimmer in my eye. Do the same thing on the other eye. So now I'll be taking the one on the end that is called Soil. I'm going to use the same brush, but flip it on the other side. And in the middle of the eye. You tell the difference? A little more bronzy, brownish. I try to put the lighter one in the middle so it makes my eye look bigger rather than put it all over my eye. So the eye look is complete now. This is my bronzy, smoky eye. So this one's Bronze Age. This one is Quinin. This one's Lumino. This one's Sienna. And this one is Swale. Here are the swatches. Right now I'll be doing my foundation. And I'll be using the ARMANI Silk. Back of my hand. I'll be getting a foundation brush. Blend it all out. And look in the mirror. So if I'm looking this way, it's because I'm looking at my mirror. So now I'll apply my foundation. So now I'm using another brush to just blend it out to make sure it has no lines in it. Using more full brush. Now I'll be using my liquid concealer bronzers that I use. This one just helps it make sure that it stays in all day my bronzer, and I'm using the Born This Way multi-sculpting concealer in the shade Butterscotch. Using a brush, big one. So now I'm going back with my foundation brush. This helps it blend it better because there's some foundation still on it. Don't try to keep doing like that. I'm just looking to see where the product is. To blend it out. But make sure that you get it all and then you swipe down on it. Make sure it's all blended. Don't want nobody looking at it and say, what's that on your chin? You know? Blending takes a long time, but makes it look even better. Grab my full coverage concealer. Smile to make sure you don't go too far down. Right here. Sharpen up the contour. Just cleans up my eyeshadow as well. My dense brush now. Make sure it's all blended in. Now I'll be using my Urban Decay. This one is the Demolition one. Put it in my bottom waterline. makes my eyes look a bit more brighter. I'll be doing my eyebrows real quick. Very simple. I already have full eyebrows. Just gonna go in to the ones that are a little more sparse. You don't want to overdraw them too much. It looks more put together, and just brush a little bit. I'm using the Benefit my brow pencil. I'm going to use Marc Jacobs mascara in black. The sienna on my bottom lash line, just at the outside. I'm going to set my makeup with the Fenty Beauty powder. Over my Marc Jacobs bronzer in Omega Bronze. I look like I put a little bit too much bronzer, so I'm going to go back to my Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless finish and just buff out, make it look a bit even. I'm going back to my Fenty Beauty powder and bake my face. Sit there for a little bit. It doesn't have to be perfect at all, but just put the areas that you're at. So now I'm going into my Anastasia blush palette, and I'll be using Breeze and Spoiled, these two, and mix them together on my cheek. So I'm almost done with my lip. I'll be doing my lips now. I'll be using the KYLIE Cocoa liner. I line my lips. Then taking my KKW lipstick, a nude one, and just apply in the center of the lips. And this is this for my look. This is my full glam smoky eye look. I hope you guys like it, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.